we have a spinach and cheese. What is it called?
Souffle.
Souffle.
Wow.
This could plop, and it could go very wrong, but it will taste the same.
Oh my
This
goodness.
is a beauty.
Oh
And
my
any
god.
second it could go and then it will be a very sad day. But
Oh.
right now, it is very happy. So look at this while it is like this.
Ava, Khalifa, and Grandma's first souffle.
Oh yeah, see the heart?
The heart, yeah. Is this, where's the hot thing, Robert?
You know what?
The
Oh,
thing.
okay. Okay, hold on a sec.
Alright.
There we go.
Okay, so
Wow.
far it's still okay. Still okay.
It is. Ava, it's beautiful.
I know, that's
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Wow, we did it.
good.
All right, now the secret's going to be. I know, I got to blow on it. All right, I'll do it too. We'll do it together. Wow. Ava, I got to tell you, I'm impressed.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Oh,
Where's the
wow.
peach?
Delicious. Good job. Yay. We did it, Ava. We did it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my God. And now into the oven, we'll go on next things.
Let me have it one
Huge
more.
mushrooms that are ginormously
okay.
big, and they have top hats on them.
All right.